We all want to stay in the middle of our lane because that provides a bigger margin of safety on all sides. Hyundai's available Lane Following Assist, or LFA, can help. It uses a camera mounted on the windshield to detect lane markers on the roadway. It then gently adjusts steering to help maintain the vehicle in the center of the lane. But LFA only works when activated. Make sure that the ignition is on. Then press the Lane Following Assist button on the steering wheel. Once the feature is selected, an indicator on the LCD cluster illuminates. At first it's white. That means the system is enabled but not active. To be enabled, your speed must be below 93 miles per hour, and LFA must detect lane markers on both sides of your vehicle. You'll see a graphic of your vehicle on a road with lane markers on either side. If a lane marker is detected, its color will change from gray to white. When both markers are detected, the LFA graphic turns green to indicate that the system is active. It is important to remember that you'll still need to steer the vehicle, even when LFA is active. If you take your hands off the steering wheel for several seconds while the LFA system is activated, the system will warn you with the message, "Keep hands on steering wheel." After the message, if you still do not have your hands on the steering wheel, the LFA system will be canceled. However, if the LFA button is pressed again, the Lane Following Assist system will reactivate. If you are driving on a very straight road for a long period of time with little input on the steering wheel, the system may alert you as well. If so, try to add slight inputs if possible. LFA will temporarily deactivate whenever you apply the turn signals, or if it loses sight of the lane lines. When LFA disengages, the indicator in the LCD cluster will flash green a few times and then turn white. After the turn signal is turned off and the new lane lines are detected, LFA will become enabled again. You'll see the indicator turn green. LFA will not function if you steer the vehicle out of the center of your lane. It also may not fully function in certain bad weather or road conditions. For a full list of circumstances in which the system may not be active, see your owner's manual. So remember, you are the one steering your vehicle. Lane Following Assist can help, but safe driving is your responsibility.